Ayan na, may kumagat na na malaki. Iyoko na yung rod ni kuya eh. Oh, lumalaban oh.
Ito camera. This one is broken. The setup, well done.
Ayan si kuya, nag-ano. Iyoko yung rod namin eh.
Stingray. Maybe stingray, bro. Going to the right. Yeah. Ay, meron yun, no? Stingray nga. Nakita ko na nung lapad eh. You know?
Ayaw nga ano. Kunin mo yan.
Stingray kaya?
Parang hindi naman stingray.
Stingray nga.
Stingray nga.
Lapad eh. Stingray nga. Ito? Stingray.
Laki.
That's all you know. Stingray too much. This is smaller than what I catch. Yeah. This is cow face stingray.
Kunin mo yan.
Problem is, how can we? No, come. Take care of this one. Not in the mouth, bro.
Yan na uli oh, stingray. Haba ng buntot oh.
Bro, take care of the tail, huh? Oh God. I will hold the. No, cannot straight. Okay.
Lapad. Ano, niyoko niya eh.
Oh, master. Oh, talagang babalihin niya yung rod. You have cutting plier? Yeah, bro. I don't.
Stop ko na yan.
I don't have.
Stop ko na to ya.
Oo.